So I'm going to work on one of the last steps for the aeroplane, and that is making the propeller. So I've just had a go at making that shape and then sanding it so it's pointy on the edges on both sides. But normally a propeller has a twist in it, so I'm going to attempt this. I've never done this before. I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to wrap this up, get it nice and wet. I've got some water over here. Dip it in that water, and also I've got a tablecloth, so I'm going to put a bit of water on that tablecloth. Get it nice and wet. And wrap that up inside the tablecloth. And my secret weapon over here is an iron. So we're going to give that a go. So yes, you could make a propeller that's not twisted, but it's not going to look half as cool as one that is. So obviously steam is hot. If you touch it, you're going to burn yourself. Not a good idea. So get that nice and hot. And you might have to have a few goes at that. But try it from here. So just after the first go, you can see there's a bit of a twist in it already. I'm going to have a few goes at that just to get it really wet. Put it back in that water. Have another go until hopefully I get that nice twist up to close to a 90-degree twist on it by the time I'm finished. Alright, give that a try if you're game. Don't forget to ask your parents' permission before you use an iron. Alright, see you later.